How to change your PIN code in Facebook Messenger. The step itself is quite easy, so I'm just going to show you a step-by-step process right here. But before we begin, please hit the like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and consider turning on the post notification. So first thing what you want to do is you want to tap on your three dot at the top left and go to your settings. From here, if you scroll all the way down, you can see privacy and safety. And from there, you want to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. From here, you can tap on manage storage and it will show you an option to reset your PIN. So first you have to make sure that your end-to-end encrypted chat or your secure storage is turned on for this. Once you turn on your secure storage, just tap on reset PIN and you can choose your PIN whatever you want, and you'll be prompted to confirm your PIN once again. And once you confirm your PIN, your messenger PIN code should be changed. As you can see, the PIN now has been created. So you can tap on more options to turn on and off auto sync as well. And now whenever you want to access your encrypted chats, it will ask you for your PIN. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one.